2016 and Miss La Virginia Leisure Park and Amusement Resort 2016. At this point, of course, I can thank our media sponsors. A big round of applause, please, for La Virginia Leisure Park and Missology. And we have Sinocan Manila, headed by Jerky Tan and Mr. Joel Maniki. So, Miss Filipina 2016. May we call all the presenters, Miss Fatima Gumapat and Miss Chen Claveria of Disden Institute. President of Miss Tourism Philippines 2016, the very beautiful Miss Amelia Sunyo of our guest, for her welcome remarks as well.
Hindi ko po alam eh. Hindi po ako sa organization. Sorry po.
Good evening, Macy's of our guest, and congratulations for having this wonderful event.
Alright, thanks, Oni. But before anything else, I would like to thank the Provincial Tourism and Cultural Office of Batangas, headed by Miss Emily. Thank you for bringing us here in Batangas. And Virginia Group, thank you so much for your warm welcome, hospitality, and your accommodation. And also, our sumptuous food, delicious food by MPK Catering. And also, our other major sponsors, I will not mention them all because there's too many. And all the candidates who really work hard for this night. And also the parents, handlers, their families, and most of all, our 888, ICOM 888 production staff who's been working hard to make this event happen. And thank you so much for all your support. I hope this will not be the last. This will just be the first. We will be having good relationship with you and the province of Batangas. Thank you so much for coming and have a good night.
Thank you very much, Ms. Amy Varbartes. She's the president of Miss Tourism Philippines 2016. And also, at this point, to give his welcome remarks as well, can we have the chairman and founder of Miss Tourism Philippines Incorporated, Direct Garrett Blanco.
Standby na po.
Okay, thank you, Oni. First of all, thank you very much sa lahat ng sponsors namin sa Miss Tourism Philippines, sa parents, sa handler, of course, and sa makeup artists, and especially sa tourism ng Batangas, sa namumuno po nito kay Ma'am Evelyn Katigbak. And of course, dito po sa Resort La Virginia, maraming salamat po. At sa mga gusto pang mag-sponsor, welcome po. Please, manood po kayo sa Coronation Night sa Resort World sa May 28. Makakabili po kayo ng ticket sa entrance. And supportahan po natin lahat ang magagandang kandidata ng Miss Tourism Philippines. At sino man ang mananalo sa kanila ay magre-represent sa international competition. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng mga judges. Maraming salamat po sa mga photographers na lagi nandyan na nakasuporta kahit saan kami magpunta. And we have pre-events pa po ang long gown competition and the pre-pageant. Meron po silang TV guesting on 28 and 20 and charity day po namin sa 19 sa Anawin, Montalban, Rizal. Onin, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi po.
Okay, at this point can we call on the judges to please stand by. We have Maria Fatima Gumapak, Mr. Lax Mendoza, Mr. Ariel Agasa, Ms. Ria Charlotte Calao, Riana Rio, Mr.
Tayo ng judge.
Mr. Rinaldo Villamin. Your name is a short while after we have awarded this special award for this evening. So, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Okay, I'll be announcing the Miss Cuties Filipina 2016, and that is to be awarded by Miss Fatima Gumapak and Miss Shen Claveria. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Miss... Ladies and gentlemen, the Miss Tourism Philippines 2016 Miss Cuties Filipina 2016 is Miss Ibaan Batangas. And awarding her are Miss Fatima Gumapak, Miss Shen Claveria, Miss Ria Charlotte Calao, and of course, the Miss Tourism Philippines 2018 Rohan Recrea. Presenters, thank you very much, ladies. And of course, congratulations to Miss Ibaan Batangas. The Miss La Virginia Leisure Park and Amusement Resort 2016. The winner will receive a sash, bouquet, and gift certificates, of course, from La Virginia Leisure Park and Amusement Resort. And this will be awarded by Mr. Rinaldo Villamin, Miss Marla Villamin, and Miss Evelyn Hernandez. Ladies, once again, good luck. Please join here. And of course, on behalf of Icon 888 Productions and MTV 2016 Incorporated, we would like, of course, to thank La Virginia Resort, La Virginia Leisure Park and Amusement Resort. And ladies and gentlemen, the Miss La Virginia Leisure Park and Amusement Resort 2016 is Miss La Virginia Amusement Park and Resort. And of course, thank you very much to all the presenters. Thank you once again to our presenters. At this point, may I call